Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be ending with the topic that we just started in yesterday's class, that how we can write an address and what an address is, right? So, who is going to tell me what an address is? Yes, through address, we can connect with the people and we can find the location of a particular place or a particular people, right? It's basically a guide to reach at somebody. Okay, so let's start with a small activity. How many of you knows your complete address? Do you know this? Okay, so in your work in the last class, we studied a format, right? And the format was that first you will talk about the area, then you will talk about the colony, then you will talk about the region, and then the regional code, right? So you will be following the same procedure and write your complete address on your notebooks and then show it to me one by one. Hurry up, write your complete address. Let me know when you are done. Yes, Sarah, are you done? Okay, show it to me. Wonderful. Okay, so yes, Hassan, are you done? Show it to me. Wonderful. Okay, so all of you are done. That's great. Now tell me, what is the purpose of an address? If we talk about this, what is the purpose of an address? What are the things we include in it? So let's first talk about the things. We talk about our street number, we talk about the house number, we talk about the colony or the area in which we live. We also talk about if there is something opposite to Said Plaza, opposite to this school, opposite to this, right? We also include such details so that it get easier for the person who is trying to reach us to find the address, right? Similarly, we talk about the city, we talk about the city code as well. So these are the most important things which are included in an address, right? Now, what is the purpose of this? That why should we know our address, or why should we know the way to write a complete address? Yes, address is very important because through this we can, as we have discussed this in the start of our lesson, that through this we can basically communicate with people, we can reach to the people. Through this we can, yes, it is a basically guide to meet people through this. And I told you that address is not of your home. Address can be an address of a school, it can be an address of a city, it can be an address of a shop, it can be an address of a clinic, right? So this is not compulsory, or we cannot just say that through this we can communicate with people or we can find people. No, we can basically find the address, we can find, it's a guide to reach at everything, right? To a hospital, to a clinic, to a shop, to a mall, everything. So address basically tells us about a particular area and a guide or the directions to reach at that area, right? Now, there is this very interesting activity in your book that we will be doing together. But beside doing that, I want you to make an envelope for yourself and then write your address on that. The envelope will looks like this. Okay, just turn the Google on, look for the different designs of the envelope. You can choose any other as well. I'm just giving you the random idea about it, right? Over here, you will write your name. Let's say I'm writing my name over here, and over here, I'll be writing my complete address, right? Over here, two stamps will be posted, right? So you're supposed to make such an envelope on your notebooks. Take out your notebooks and make an envelope. You can choose any design. Let's say if you want stars over here, you can add that. Let's say if you want to make some circular things over here, you can do that. So the design is up to you. You can make an envelope, make a new design for any envelope. Hurry up, do it and let me know when you are done. Yes, Elise, are you done? Okay, good. Show it to me. Yes, show me your designs one by one. Hurry up. Okay, let's start with Eliza because Eliza did it first. Okay, yes, Eliza. Excellent, lovely. Eliza, your drawing is very awesome. I love it. Okay, let's look at Asad's design. Yes, Asad. Okay, Asad has tried to make small. These are the tires of the vehicles. So this means that Asad is interested in the vehicles, right? Okay, most of the time boys are. Okay, so let's look at the Sarah's one. Yes, Sarah. Sarah, why so dull? Color it. Yeah, it will look more beautiful then, right? Okay. Now the activity is, please open your book page number 64. Okay, on this you have two envelopes which are already made over there. On this one you will be writing the Asad's address. Asad has mentioned his address over here. Write it as it is, okay? Starting from 16A and reaches till 10050. And in the second one, first write your name over it, like I have written my name. Write your name and then write your complete address following the same format, right, which we have learned together, right? Okay, hurry up. Let's say we talk about the Asad address, there are three lines, so you will be writing it as 16A Garden Road, Model Colony, Rawalpindi, 10050. Okay, hurry up, write it down. Similarly, write the Asad first, write the Asad one and then yours. Yes, are you done? Wonderful. Show it to me. Okay, excellent, Vasi. You know your complete address and you have asked the code from your parents as well. Wonderful. Okay. Who else have asked the code? Excellent. Okay, class, that was all for today. We are done with this unit as well. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, you will be having a weekly assessment. So do prepare yourself for the weekly assessment and let me know if you have any confusion in any topic. We will resolve it together. Okay, share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.